Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to record two screens side by side in OBS Studio. First, in Scenes, click the plus icon to create a new scene. Then, in Sources, click plus and choose Display Capture. Select your first monitor and hit OK. Repeat the same steps to add your second monitor as another display capture. Next, go to Settings Arrow Video. Under Base, Canvas Resolution, set the width to the total of both screens. For example, two 1080p monitors would be 3840 by 1080. Click Apply, then go to Output and make sure Rescale Output is unchecked. Now arrange your two displays side by side on the canvas and hit Start Recording. That's it. You're now recording two screens at once in OBS Studio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more OBS tips.